Welcome children. Last day we had studied from chapter 1 about the leaves. Some plants have big leaves, some have small leaves, and some plants bear flowers and some plants bear fruits. Now today we will start our next part of the chapter. See, most plants grow from seeds. Seeds are of many kinds. We eat some seeds. So, a plant grows from a seed. There are many types of seeds and we also eat some seeds of a plant. See the picture. This is kidney bean, also known as rajma. This is rice. This is wheat, corn, black pepper, pea, gram or chana. So these all are the picture of seeds. We eat also this type of seeds. We eat rice, we eat wheat, we eat black pepper. So these some seeds are there. We also eat the seeds of a plant. A seed has a baby plant inside it. So where from a plant grow? A plant grow from a seed. If a seed is sowed into the soil and it get water and sunlight, then gradually from there a new plant start to grow. When the seed get air, water and sunshine, the baby plant comes out. See the picture. When a seed is sowed into the soil and it is getting water and sunlight, slowly this seed is growing into a plant and gradually it will grow into a big tree. So this is how a new plant comes out. So let us recall what we have read today. We have read that seeds are of many kinds and from a seed a baby plant comes out. What are the conditions needed for a baby plant to come out? The conditions are if the seed get air, water and sunshine, it grows into a big plant. So the chapter finishes here. Now we will discuss some question answers. Fill in the blanks. Big and strong plants are called trees. Climbers need support to stand. Be careful. A rose plant has thorns. Most fruits have seeds inside them. A seed has a baby plant inside it. Question number 1. What are trees? Big and strong plants are called trees. For example, Ashok, Neem. What are climbers? Some plants are weak. They cannot stand straight on their own and need support to stand. Such plants are called climbers. For example, bean, grapevine. So today Up to this, next day we will discuss the other question answers from this chapter. Thank you.